In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix the File Unreadable error on Google Drive. If you've ever tried to open a document, image, or video in Drive and gotten that frustrating message, don't worry. We'll walk through a simple process to work out whether the problem is with Google Drive, your computer, or the file itself, and what you can do to get access back. First, start by downloading the file to your computer. On Google Drive, right-click the file that's showing as unreadable, then choose the download option. Give it a moment to save to your device. Make sure you remember where it's being saved, such as your downloads folder or your desktop, so you can easily find it in the next step. This download is important because it lets you test the file outside of Google Drive. Once the file has finished downloading, try opening it with the correct software on your computer. For example, if it's a Word document, open it with a word processor. If it's a PDF, use a PDF reader. For images, use your default photo viewer, and for videos, open them with a media player. The idea here is to see whether the file is actually damaged, or if the issue is just with how Google Drive is trying to display it. If the file opens normally on your computer, that's a good sign. It usually means the file itself is fine, and the error you saw in Google Drive is more likely related to how Drive previews the file rather than the content of the file. If that's the case, you can keep working with the file directly on your computer or move on to re-uploading it to Drive in a moment. If the file still fails to open on your computer, even with the correct program, that suggests there might be corruption or damage to the file itself. Before giving up on it, try one more thing. Re-upload the same file back to Google Drive. Go to Drive, click the option to upload a file, then select the version you just downloaded. Wait for the upload to complete, then try opening it again from Drive. Sometimes a fresh upload clears up minor issues that happened the first time around. After re-uploading, pay attention to any error messages or warnings that appear. This can help you check if the file was corrupted during the original upload. If the file won't open in Google Drive but does open fine on your computer, you may be dealing with a compatibility issue or a temporary drive glitch. In that case, you can keep using it locally or try converting it to another format before uploading again. If it won't open anywhere, the file itself is likely damaged. If you've followed these steps and the file is still unreadable, it's time to ask the sender to upload the file again. Let them know that the file may have been corrupted before or during the upload and ask them to resave it on their device and then upload a fresh copy to Google Drive or send it through another method. When you receive the new version, repeat the same process. Download it, try opening it locally, and then open it in Drive. By downloading, testing locally, re-uploading, checking for corruption, and then asking for a fresh copy if needed, you'll have a clear, simple path to fixing most file unreadable errors on Google Drive.